Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, I just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So for this video, I'm super excited about this nail look. We're going to start off with my prep routine. And I know I don't show prep too often, but for this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my full in-depth prep routine. So starting off, I'm just going in with this metal cuticle pusher and just pushing my cuticles back, and now we're going to get into filing. So my e-file is from MelodySusie. It's a 2-in-1, so it's a nail lamp and it also comes with this amazing e-file. 10 out of 10, definitely recommend it. It saves like so much space on my nail desk, and I definitely love this product. I've had it for quite a while now, and not one of the bulbs or anything has gone out on me. Alrighty, so now all I'm doing is going in with a ballpoint drill bit, and I'm going in and removing all the cuticles off of my nail bed. It's super important to remove the cuticles off your nail bed because that does play a major part in making sure that your nails do not lift and that they last long term. And notice I'm saying cuticles off of my nail bed. So it's totally optional up to you if you want to fully remove your cuticles or if you just want to remove them off of your nail bed. Personally, me, I don't go in and do cuticle cutting. I just make sure that they're off of my nail bed. Sometimes when you take off your cuticles fully, it can lead to infections, especially if you're going to a nail salon where they're using the same products on multiple people. So personally, for me, even though the only product I use my stuff on is myself, I just prefer to get my cuticles off of my nail bed. Alrighty, so after cuticle prep is done, we're going to go in with a sanding drill bit, and I'm just going on the lowest setting possible and just making sure that all dirt, debris, and any shine is completely removed from my nails. Now I'm going in with a brush and I'm just brushing off my hands. Alright, so for the products, I'm going to be using this nail dehydrator, and this I purchased from Amazon, and it was super cheap. I actually was like, when I first started doing nails, and like I didn't have enough money to even get, you know, prep products really, so this was the cheapest one and it stuck with me. I've been using it for 2 years now, so I'll make sure to leave it down below because it does work for me. And I'm also going to go in with the Young Nails Protein Bond as well. And last step is base coat. So I'm using this OPI base coat, and I actually purchased this base coat from TJ Maxx. If you go to your local TJ Maxx, I just purchased this recently and I love it. I love the brush applicator, but if you go, they are selling OPI gel top and base coat in a package, and I got them for $6.99. So it's a really awesome deal, and I do recommend this. Their top coat, honestly, not too much my favorite, but I really do enjoy this base coat. Prep is different for everyone. Try different products and see what works best for your nail beds. If you do have problems with lifting or, you know, your nails coming off, 9 times out of 10 it leads back to your prep, so you want to make sure that you have a very solid prep routine. So for today's video, I'm going to be using these Kiss Natural Nails in length medium, and I'm going to be using some light apricot polygel by Model 1s. My slip solution is going to be alcohol, and I'm using this dab and dish that I purchased from TJ Maxx as well. Alright, so when using these nails, in the packaging they kind of give you the illusion that they're ombre, but they're not ombre at all. They're one shade, so when you're using these nails, you want to make sure that if you want that ombre effect, you're going to have to go in with a colored polygel. So as you can see here, they're just white. It's the, you know, paper they use on the back of the product that makes it look like it's ombre. It's really not. It's just the natural basic white nail tips, which are still gorgeous on their own, but I'm going to go in and for some nails kind of create the illusion of an ombre, and I'm going to show you guys how I do that. But I'm also just going in now and sizing my nails out. The awesome thing about these nails is that they actually have a ton of different sizes. like so many sizes, and a lot of nails do come in this pack. So one pack is probably going to give you about 2 wears. Alrighty, so now we're going in, and I'm just going to be doing all of my nails, giving them an ombre effect. So all I do is go in with a small amount, and the main thing you want to do with these nails is make sure that your cuticle area is thicker than the rest of the nails. So as you can see, when I get closer to the top, I'm taking out some of that polygel and just making sure it's a super thin layer of polygel at the top. Barely anything there, and once you apply it to your nails, you're going to see that it gives you that ombre look naturally, without you having to do, you know, too much blending or anything. So yeah, it's very simple. Just go in with a small amount, make sure it's super thick at the bottom, and then just kind of thin it out towards the top, and bam, now you have ombre looks with just using 2 products. So it's super easy and super simple. As you can see, I'm going in and doing multiple nails at once, and then after finishing 4 nails, I do go in and cure. I like to give my thumbs their own personal attention, because if you go in with your whole hand, you know, your thumbs can kind of just cure fully on one side and not the other. So now I'm going to go in and do both of my thumbs and put those in there and cure separately. This part of the process is super easy and super quick, so I'm just going to let you guys let me finish, and I will be right back. Alrighty, so I finished one hand with the designs. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys exactly how I did it. So I'm going in with 2 top coats. This is the NKK Subtle Glitter Top Coat and the MAKARRT Glitter Top Coat. The MAKARRT one can be purchased on Amazon. I'll leave a link down below. And the NKK is purchased through her website. And it's Nails Cat with K's instead of a C. And I'll be sure to link that down below as well. So all I'm doing is going in with the NKK first, and I think 3 of my nails have glitter. No, I believe I actually did it on almost all of my nails, the NKK top coat. And then on 2 of them, I went in with the MAKARRT top coat. So I'm really just layering the glitters. Some of the nails I want, you know, more of the glitter to show, and then others I do want that subtle glitter look. I honestly love both of these top coats so much. They're super fun and they're super easy to use. When you have really simple basic colors, this is a quick way to spice up any nail look. So I definitely 10 out of 10 love these top coats and do recommend them. Alright, so for the French tip nail look, I'm going to go in with this white polish by Beetles. You can go with any white polish. I'm just going in with this one. I think this is in 580, and I do like the Beetles polish because they are super thick and opaque, so you don't have to use too many layers. My favorites are the Beetles and also the Après. I believe that's how you say it. Après, I'm pretty sure. I do enjoy their French manicure polish too. But yeah, I'm just going in with this nail art brush by Shein. I don't know, y'all. I can't really say I recommend Shein. I did get this nail art palette, but I don't know if y'all saw that video of that girl that used nail art products by Shein and it like poisoned her, and like she couldn't feel half of her arm and had to go to the hospital and stuff because she used like a nail art. So I don't know. Apparently people have been having the same issue with like their clothing poisoning them, like chemical poisoning or whatnot, and I'm just not here for it. So I'm not gonna recommend trying it out because it's looking like they're having maybe some problems. Get your stuff from Amazon. I'll just say that and leave that at that. Alrighty, so now I'm going in with my solid nail tip glue gel, and I use the solid nail tip glue gel to apply my bling. I do sell this in my Etsy shop, and I love this product because it's so versatile. If you check out some of my other videos, I use this product to apply my nail tips, and you can also use it to apply bling as well. So I'm just going in and rolling it around in my hands. It's kind of like a putty, and it's super thick like a Play-Doh. And I'm just applying a small ball and then applying my rhinestones. My rhinestones and bling all come from Amazon or AliExpress is mainly where I get my bling from. But these ones specifically did come from Amazon, and this canister or this container that I have all of my bling in, I got a 3-pack of this from Amazon as well. So as you can see, I'm just going in, applying the bling and curing. Currently my solid nail tip glue is sold out, but it is on pre-order and it will be shipping out in 2 weeks. And I also am bringing them back in a bigger container. Before I did have the 10-gram jars, and I will be bringing 15-milligram jars. So I'm super excited about that. For this hand, I'm going to go in with a different stone on the ring finger. I'm going in with this huge gem that I got from either AliExpress or Amazon. I'll be sure to link it down below. And it gets caught on everything, so be careful with it. Like if you're doing a lot and I don't know, just be careful with it because it will ruin your clothes if you catch it in certain clothes, because it will pick at the seams. So that's just, and it's just that stone. My other hand, as you can see, I'm going in with top coat and I'm topping off my nails. I did go in with a top coat on my other ring finger design so it doesn't get stuck. As you can see, the whole nail is blinged out. You don't see it in this video, but I did top off all the stones so no hair or anything gets caught in it. I did try it on the other ring finger, but because the prongs are so high, it like doesn't matter. So just be aware of that. So yeah, now I'm going in with my cuticle oils. These are also sold in my Etsy shop as well. And for today's scent, we're going to go in with citrus, one of my favorites. And I'm just going and applying that to my cuticles. I do say it in every video, it really doesn't matter how cute your nails are. If your cuticles are dry and crusty, your nail set is just not going to be cute. So you want to make sure you keep your cuticles hydrated. So here's the final nail look. I'm super obsessed with this nail set. I know I say it sometimes, but this is honestly like one of my favorites. It's super me. Like I love the shortness, but also like the dramaticness, but simplicity. Like I just love the color schemes. I love the bling. I love the length. Love it. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and thank you all for supporting me. If you made it to the end, you're a real one. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.